The Qatar heavy industry all along pursues energy-saving and high-power design principle. Our machines are equipped with original imported direct injector diesel engines, such as Cummins, USA, and Yanmar, Japan, which supply you with the continuous strong power and confidence. Security design, considerate protection. The Qatar heavy industries products are unique in designing. We employ full closed cabins in conformity with FOPS, TOPS, ROPS, according to EU CE certification. They protect you from falling cases, dust and noise. The considerate protection makes you enjoy a comfortable space in noisy operating fields. The excavators are all equipped with imported high-strength balls, ensuring excellent performances. The devices for avoiding chain losing are added to ensure walking performance. We also provide several types of P-drills. Through technological treatment, the center excavators are fireproof and high-temperature resistant. They are operated perfectly in steel-making plant, plateau, and low-temperature conditions. More than 10 types of subsidiary apparatus for different kinds of work. Affiliated appliances can be quickly replaced in 2 minutes. Different types of buckets are provided in order to deal with different working conditions easily. Standard bulldozing blade can quickly level up fields. Noble quality, royal charm. Originally imported America Cummins engine in conformity with the Tier 2 and 3 emission control regulations, a dynamic power, lower noise, and less pollution. Originally imported Japan KYB, Toshiba, German Rexroth hydraulic systems ensure the stability and reliability. High-strength structural components from Japan Komatsu are made by one-step molding, the full automatic production line, robot welding equipment. Imported South Korea oil cylinder, imported high-strength balls, luxurious seats. All these details manifest the incomparable nobility of Qatar. The outstanding explosive force, digging force, and arm lifting force. Low oil consumption hydraulic system. Mechanical and electronic system cooperate with the first-class, originally imported America Cummins engines. The machines can work normally even under 47 degrees centigrade. America Cummins engines are widely appreciated in harsh environments in Sweden, Canada, and Russia. The direct injector engine and the high-quality pre-filter are equipped to ensure the strong power system. Double pump, double circuit, total power variable, original imported hydraulic system, boom and arm inner valve confluence, arm regeneration, auxiliary operation, etc., and such several advanced functions, meeting all the needs of high-intensity works. Originally imported Japan KYB main valve, automatic fault diagnosis and display. Digital in-phase monitoring system conveniently supervises the machine working condition, including the engine speed, the water temperature, the oil pressure, hydraulic oil temperature, oil volume, battery voltage, and charging state. It can still realize automatic diagnosis, inspect and record the operation parameters and maintenance parameters. The cabin enjoys a wide vision, well operated with video cassette. All the parts and elements are handy and easy to be maintained and repaired. The machines satisfy the habit of controlling by either hand. Easy operation. Static hydraulic design, easily switched between 2 walking speed styles. 2 control modes, by hands or feet. Ergonomics design. Luxurious seat fits different statures from all over the world. Streamlined exterior design, imported paint, electrostatic powder coating, simple appearance. with its shining color. This is a custom-made full hydraulic excavator for a steel-making plant, which is high temperature resistant and anti-pollution. The special pressurization system in the Cummins B3.3 is designed for working at plateau and alpine. It can be easily started even in a cold winter. Loaded and unloaded easily without hoisting equipment, quickly transported.